Damn. Yo, it's fucking deep out here, man. Look at this shit. Man. Look at it. The snow is crazy. Look. Damn. Look. Y'all seen this shit? Damn, bro. This shit, look at my feet. Look. Whoa. Damn. My goddamn shit is covered. Damn. Damn, it is deep, man. Look at that shit. Damn. Look, my goddamn fucking boots are sinking. Damn. Look at this shit, man. Damn. Man. Hey, y'all think we're able to snow, man? Look, I'm fucking sinking in fucking snow, man. Look at this shit. Damn. Oh, shit, fuck. This shit deep. I think I'm bullshit. Look at this shit. Look at this view. Yeah, baby. Definitely documenting this shit. It's the last time maybe we ever gonna get some damn snow. Good thing, man, I bought me some boots and shit, man. Shit. I had on my damn slides, but having some damn slides on for what? Look, my feet getting sunk in the fucking snow. Look. What you think about the snow, man? Y'all loving the snow? Are y'all seeing this shit, man? We got snow. Yeah. Look at it. Oh. Damn. Oh, fuck, shit. I think I'm getting snow in my fucking boots. Bro, like, I want to build a snowman or do some epic shit, man, but, bro, look at this big fucking mountain top right there, man. I don't know what the fuck this shit is, man, but damn, what the fuck this shit is? Ooh, it's so fucking cold. Ooh, it's fucking cold. Ah. Ah. Damn. This shit is everywhere. Hey, I'm gonna try to see if I can. Let me see some. Hold on. All right, look. I'm gonna try to see if I can go on the street. Damn. Look at this shit, man. Look at it. This is nice, man. Look how quiet it is, man. There's not a soul or a vehicle in sight. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Let me get some videos made of me in the snow. Hang tight, hold on. What up, what up, what up, what up? I'm in the snow, baby. In the snow. And I'm gonna do a video. And we're gonna get this footage. Look like somebody made it ran out. Oh, that's the fucking ditch right there, I think. So hold on, wait a minute. I don't want to fucking fall, man. Oh shit. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. Okay, this is. Oh shit. Hold on. Here we go. Don't switch too much. Right. Here we go. Damn. Yo, seen this shit, man. Look. What y'all think, YouTube? Hey, man. I need y'all right now to just like and fucking subscribe, man. Please subscribe, man. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Look at this. What y'all think? I'm in the street. Look at this shit, man. All right, I'm gonna turn y'all over. Hold on. God, pretty, man. Ooh. Oh, bro, it's getting cold. I got on a goddamn heavy ass warm-up outfit, man, but shit, it seems like I can still feel this goddamn cold, man, coming through, man. Fuck. All right. But what y'all think, man? What y'all think? Fucking trees and shit, man. Got snow inside a motherfucker. You know? Look at this. Beautiful, huh? I know. That's the ditch right here. I should just jump me right there. Should just make a fucking snowman. Shit, I'm Mr. Frost. You know? But Mr. Frost right now don't feel like getting fucking dirty. So that's why you ain't about to see my ass making a fucking snowman. Mr. Frost about to get his ass back in the house. It's getting too cold now. Oh shit, fuck, oh damn. Yeah. Get this shit, man. Damn. Fuck. Shit, damn. I'm fucking sinking. It's at least, man, about fucking 7 inches or some shit like that, man. Look. My fucking boots is fucking lost in the fucking snow. Look at it. It's covering my fucking feet. Y'all see that shit? Look at it. Damn, it's deep. It's deep right there. Damn. Look at that shit. Damn. Damn. Look at that shit, man. Boy, it's just deep, man. This is how. All right, look. 1, 2, 3. That's deep. Look at it. That's fucking deep. And it's fucking cold. My fucking socks is sliding off inside my boots. at this. Ain't this shit nice? Ain't it nice? Figured I'd come outside and do a little video for y'all, man. So y'all can see how pretty the snow is. So far, so I'm enjoying it. I never thought in a million years maybe we'd get some snow. It's fucking beautiful, man. This is nice. Look at that. We got snow, dog. Look. Look at that. Damn. This motherfucker deep. Look. These $100 and some fucking boots come in handy too. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. Sure. If I had some fucking gloves, man, for y'all, but I'd make a fucking stomach for y'all. But my hand get cold too fast, man. I don't want to catch my hypothermia. Shit, it's too cold out here, bro. This is it, bro. Oh yeah, this is the fucking love, man. Look at that. Amazon plans over there. I can't really show y'all, but the Amazon company is straight behind those pallets or whatever those things is over there, but the building is over there. It's the Amazon trucks back there. It's nice, man. Yep. All right, gang. We're gonna shorten this video up. We're gonna wrap it up. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. So without further ado, it's your boy, Mr. Frost, with everyone. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. All right. And yeah, man. Peace. Catch y'all later. All right. Frost gang, baby. Yeah.